In this video we record a vendor bill with 2 lines, then settle it. The first line we pay in 2 steps, a partial payment that returns the unpaid balance to the line, then we clear the rest. The second line we pay in full in one go, until the whole invoice is settled. Two lines, 100,000 naira each, both carrying 7.5% VAT and 5% withholding tax. Here is the bill, 2 lines, nothing paid yet. First, the laptops line, which carries VAT and withholding tax. We tick it and process it into a voucher. That voucher holds the whole laptops line. We only want to pay 40,000 now, so we edit the voucher down to 40,000 and save. We submit it for approval. Bola approves it, then Ton gives final approval. Finance records the payment. Back on the invoice, the laptops line is in its original position, now showing only its unpaid balance, marked partially paid, with VAT and withholding tax recomputed on that balance, and a clickable reference to the voucher that paid it. It stays here until fully paid. Now we finish paying the laptops line. We tick its remaining balance and process it into a voucher. We submit it, it is approved, and finance pays this one in full. The laptop's line is now fully paid, so it has left the active list and moved into the process to voucher history. One line remains. Now the second line, office chairs, also with VAT and withholding tax. This time we pay it in full in one go, process it, approve it, and pay it. And we are done. Both lines are paid, laptops in 2 parts, office chairs in 4. The invoice shows nothing outstanding, and both lines now sit in the process to voucher history, each fully settled.